So good morning. If you're watching this, wherever you're watching this, subscribe, comment, like, and share. This is an unboxing of a product that I ordered to get my company name on a piece of accessories that I have. So the name of the company is Body Decor, and I already opened it, but I just wanted to come on here and show you all what it was. Body Decor Boutique, and the young lady sells. You can get your company name on accessories. I just happen to get my company name on these earrings. So Body Decor, I forgot the child's name. Body Decor Boutique. This is the company. www.bodydecorboutique.com. The Eclectic Unique Boutique. They do custom designs, wholesale wardrobe consulting. If you have like cups and things like that, you want to put the company logo. So you have my colors, which is the green, and then shape out. Now, the purpose of me doing this was to use it as a conversation starter. Wear it out in the street, and people ask like, okay, so what is shape out? Those are pretty good. What is shape out? So that way I can explain to them what it is. So shout out to Body Decor. And thank you for getting this to me very quickly. I know she said I think it was going to take like 14 days, but it came faster than that. And it's really affordable. You can get multiples of the products, both of the product that you need if needed. But I just needed this one because it's just me. So thank you again, and I look forward to working with you again.